In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your Vrbo listing. To get started, sign in to your Vrbo owner account and open your dashboard. From there, choose the property you want to optimize. This is where all of your listing improvements will happen, so it's a good idea to review everything carefully rather than changing just one section and moving on. Begin with your listing title. Make sure it uses clear, descriptive keywords that help potential guests quickly understand what makes your property appealing. Then move into the property description and write it in a detailed, helpful way. Highlight the home's best features, the overall experience guests can expect, and nearby attractions that make the location more desirable. The goal is to make the listing informative while also helping it stand out in search results. Next, focus on your photos. Upload high-quality, well-lit images of every room as well as any outdoor spaces. Photos are often one of the first things guests notice, so presentation matters. Arrange your strongest photos first so the most attractive images appear at the top of the gallery and create a strong first impression. After that, review your amenities and make sure everything available at the property is included. This can include essentials like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, parking, and pet-friendly options if applicable. The more complete your amenities section is, the easier it is for guests to see whether your property fits their needs. Now update important guest-facing details such as your house rules, check-in instructions, and cancellation policy. Keeping this information clear and current helps reduce confusion and builds trust with potential guests. You'll also want to keep your calendar accurate by updating availability regularly, since an outdated calendar can lead to missed opportunities or booking issues. From there, review your pricing. Set competitive nightly rates by comparing similar properties in your area. If dynamic pricing is available and works for your strategy, consider enabling it. You can also offer discounts for weekly or monthly stays to attract longer bookings and increase occupancy. Guest communication is another major factor. Respond to inquiries as quickly as possible to improve your response rate, and accept booking requests promptly to maintain a strong acceptance rate. After each stay, encourage satisfied guests to leave positive reviews. Strong reviews and excellent guest service help support a high overall rating, which can make your listing more attractive to future guests. Finally, keep your listing fresh by updating it regularly with new photos, amenities, or seasonal information. Check your performance dashboard to review views, inquiries, and bookings. Then use that data along with guest feedback to make smart improvements. If you continue optimizing consistently, your listing can gain better visibility in Vrbo search results and attract more bookings over time.